Let's count by tens to 100 with the axolotl crew. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Explore more fun and educational videos on the channel. Kick back, relax, and stay a while. See you next time.